Hi all, I am Madhumati Anbaragan. I am planning to create a series of videos to teach basic SQL syntax. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of SQL and we'll also try out a few SQL queries. In this presentation, first we'll start with basic introduction about this course. We'll explore the concept of data, specifically what a database is and what a relational database entails. After that, we'll examine an SQL statement. As I already said, in this course, you will be learning basics of SQL syntax and we'll try out few SQL queries. Before learning a language that interacts with the database, it's important for us to understand the basics such as what data, a database, and a relational database mean. Data refers to unprocessed and unorganized facts which can take various forms including alphabetic data that consists of letters from alphabet, alphanumeric data which includes letters and numbers, numeric data which comprises integers or real numbers, non-textual data such as images, audio, video, and multimedia which can combine audio and video elements. So in this slide, you can see an example 14H3H2S1. So this fact doesn't give any information. 14 can either be an age or a door number. So once we organize the data, it becomes an information and we use that information we use database to store that information. So age is 14. H3, H2, S1 is a postal code. So it gives us a clear meaning, right? So we'll be storing this information in the database. Next, database. As the name suggests, a database is a place to store and organize data. We can archive all information we want to store and we can retrieve it later. For example, a database can contain information about students in a school. Next, a relational database. A relational database is a type of database that consists of collection of tables where related data is stored in form of rows and columns. Rows are known as records and columns are known as fields. So in the below table students, you can see the blue colored ones, the rows, they are known as records, and the green colored ones, age, the column, they are known as fields. Multiple tables can have specific relationship with each other and they are connected through keys. There are many keys like primary key, secondary key, but we won't go into detail in this video. Next, SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, generally known as SQL, and we also call it as SQL. It's a programming language used by relational databases for creating and maintaining the databases. It is used to communicate with databases such as Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and other relational databases. It's a declarative language. Here we specify what is to be done rather than how to do it. We won't write programs, but we write statements and the language gives us a result. In this slide, let's discuss about a sample query. First, a statement is a command or instruction given to rdbms using SQL. So a statement doesn't return any value. Say for example, insert so and so columns from into a table. So this statement inserts some columns into a table, but it doesn't return any value. A query is a statement that returns data. It means select star from a table. It returns all the column values from a table. So that's the difference between statement and a query. In the given example, select first name, last name from students where state code is equal to FL, order by last name ascending. So you can understand here A query is composed of various clauses. Selects first name, last name is a clause. From students is another clause. Where is another clause. Order by is another clause. Select first name, last name. Here, select is a keyword. SQL has predefined keywords, various keywords such as select, from, where, order by. These are reserved words which tell the database to take some actions. And first name, last name, these are identifiers. They are the field names, that is the information from column of a table. And then from students, from is a keyword. Students, it can either be a table or a view where the data is stored. And where state code is equal to FL is a predicate. State code FL is a predicate, and where is, as we already discussed, where is a keyword, and FL is an expression. Order by last name ascending, order by is a keyword, and in this clause the last name, all the values in the column last name, they are sorted in ascending order. And semicolon, it tells the database that the statement has ended. So this is a basic example of a basic SQL query. So in the upcoming videos, we'll be seeing more in detail about SQL queries, and we'll execute some queries. Until then, thank you very much.